In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show an image on a tooltip or hover effect in Tableau desktop. To start this process, let's begin by opening the Tableau public app. This is the platform where we will perform all our visual magic. Once you've launched the app, the next step is accessing your worksheet. An important thing to note here is that these preparatory steps lay the foundation for what's to come, so make sure you're following along carefully. With your worksheet open, it's time to build the main visualization. For this example, imagine creating something dynamic like a map. This will serve as your source worksheet and will be the primary point of interaction in your Tableau project. It's important to design this visualization effectively as it sets the stage for the tooltip you'll be implementing. The next phase involves crafting a separate worksheet. This is where you'll design the visualization you intend to display within the tooltip. Essentially, this will be your target worksheet. Make sure it complements the primary visualization and is visually coherent since it will act as the focus when hovering over your source worksheet. With your visualizations in place, navigate to the marks card of the source worksheet. This is where the magic happens, as you can now click on Tooltip to begin embedding your target visualization. A key point here is to remember that the tooltip option allows you to create interactive experiences without cluttering the main visualization by putting too much information at once. Click on the Insert button found within the tooltip dialog. Once you do, you'll see an option to select Sheets. Pick this to proceed. This step is crucial as it integrates your target worksheet directly into the tooltip. Make sure to choose your target worksheet from the list that appears. Selecting the correct sheet ensures that the right data and visual are displayed when you hover over your source worksheet. Next, you're given the opportunity to customize the tooltip further. This is where you can personalize the appearance and behavior to suit your needs. Maybe you want to tweak the size, add a border, or even change the text. Doing these customizations can enhance user experience. Once satisfied with your setup, hit OK to save your changes. This action confirms all the configurations you've made, locking in your settings and making everything ready for usage. Now comes the moment of truth. Hover over a mark on your source visualization. You should see your embedded target visualization appear in the tooltip. As a fantastic feature of this setup, the visualization in the tooltip filters itself according to the specific mark you are hovering over, offering a detailed view that corresponds to your selection. Implementing this feature can significantly enhance interactivity, making your data presentations richer and more engaging.